This isn't just a movie prop, it's a 1,000-year-old masterpiece of ancient technology. Meet the oil paper umbrella? Long before plastic, it was the world's most stylish rain cover. Hand-carved from bamboo and coated with natural tung oil to make it 100% waterproof. The detail is incredible. Each one is hand-painted with symbols of good luck, strength, and longevity. This is not just an umbrella. It is a living history that remains relevant today. From ancient dynasties to modern street style, it's the perfect blend of art and function. So, would you trade your plastic umbrella for this? Let me know in the comments.